What's going on YouTube? This is Tyler back again with another video on Black Friday deals are coming up, and also Christmas is right around the corner. So I want to give you a couple ideas on what to buy for your G or your Z. Breaking it down between the higher tier of $1,000 plus, also including the middle tier of $500 to $999, and the lower tier of $100 to $499. So let's begin. All right, so we have the highest tier starting off with over $1,000 usually. You want to start looking off into a quality catback like a Motordyne, Arc, Nvidia, or Tomy. These are just quality catbacks. So these are your best, in my opinion, of the VQ exhaust. Of course, you want to make sure you want to get your maintenance done first before you do anything. That's always the key, to my opinion. Also in the $1,000 category, you can also get a wrap, or you can get ceramic coated. That's what I did, to be honest with you. When I first bought this car, I got a ceramic coat, and that was probably one of the best things I ever did, to be honest with you, with these cars. And the reason why I say ceramic coating is very underrated mod is because the Infiniti Nissan paint that comes from this factory, after age and mileage, over time it does have some wear and tear on it. So I brought it back to like, even though when I bought this car I had under 20,000 miles, but I bought it over 6-7 years ago, and it was starting to like fade and have some weird spots. So what I did was I just ceramic coated and then got it paint corrected at Pro Wax in Wilmington, Delaware. All right, so starting off with $500 to $999 mid-tier category, I would look into Hotchkiss sway bars. This cuts down on body roll a lot. I used to have them on my G37, but I'm looking into grabbing these very, very soon once I start doing my upgrades at around 70,000 to 80,000 miles. And also for the middle tier, you can also look into brake upgrade kits from Z1. Nothing helps better for your car to stop better and stop quicker than a brake upgrade kit, either through Stop Tech or Z1. There's also oil cooler kits from Mishimoto, or you can get from Z1 itself. Also, with your oil cooler kit, you can also get a transmission cooler kit if you have an automatic. That's what I got. I got the Stillen oil cooler kit that's just been sitting in my shed. I'm going to be upgrading that very soon. And also, you can look into upgrading your injectors and your fuel pump to run E85 as well. There's some really good injectors. You can actually run GTR injectors, OEM. But watch out for the fake OEM GTR injectors on eBay. You want to get the original ones that are going to be costing a little bit more, but in the end, it's better, so you won't get scammed. And also a fuel pump to upgrade for E85. And last but not least, for mid-tier wise, if you want a lower end exhaust, I recommend a ISR or a Rev 9. Axle back itself with art pipes from Torkin on Concept Z Performance. Motordyne art pipes, they're a little bit more expensive compared to Torkin, and they actually copied the design, believe it or not. I do think they have it on sale, but you have to double check and call the manufacturer itself to see if they have it. You can get test pipes for around $500 to $900 easily on our pipes. In my opinion, those are the best test pipes. All right, so we have the bottom lower tier. It is between $100 to $499. You can get carbon fiber accessories like a steering wheel from Alibaba, because to be honest with you, like Uliscos and all these other parts, VQ Carbon Customs, I believe that's what his name is. They get their stuff drop shipped from Alibaba, to be honest with you. You can also get lowering springs. You can get unresonated test pipes, but they will be a lot more raspier than everything else. So if I recommend for any test pipes, I would get a Burke resonated or ISR resonated. You can also pair this with a Rev 9 axle back, as you can probably see in my other videos. If you're building a VQ on a budget, that's what I would recommend. So anyway, those are the quick mods that I wanted to let you guys in on. What I usually do to recommend to everybody is go on Marketplace, go on Facebook, but you want to make sure you're not going to get scammed. So if anybody asks you to do a Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and they want to do a pay by that way, don't do it. Just always use PayPal goods and services, so you have buyer protection. Z1 and Concept Z Performance are the go-tos during this time when you're looking for Black Friday deals and Christmas deals. So stay tuned for those when they drop around this time. They should have some percentage off wise, and take advantage of those deals, because you'll never know and when they're going to be out of stock on certain items. So always call and always email the seller and see if they have it not still, so you don't get stuck stranded without the product for months on end, like I know some people have. Alrighty, so thank you so much, guys. This is my outro. So another YouTube video coming up soon on my 6-year update, and it's almost hitting 70,000 miles. So stay tuned for that video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.